Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Can I ask you, what is holding you back from making your dreams come true? Is there anything that I can help you with to help you take your life onto that higher level that you have been looking for? If you and me can work together, then we can get your next bit of adventure started. Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, and here is your quote for today from Maya Angelou. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. It's true to say you never forget how an experience made you feel. People say and do great things, and they are the reason for so many good things happening in the world. But it's the feelings that you felt, the feelings that you got from that experiencing of the moment, that moment of magic, that moment of true joy or awakening. Those are the moments and the people that you do not forget.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.